Hi students, this is the fourth video of playing with numbers chapter. In this video, we will discuss about the prime factorization method, HCF and LCM method. Okay, let's start. So first one is we will discuss about prime factorization method. Suppose the number is 64 and what we have to find out what are the factors of 64 using the prime numbers. Okay, so 64 can be factorized as 2 into how much? 32, because 2 into 32 will be 64. Okay, then again 32 can be factorized as how much? 2 into 16, and 16 can be factorized as 2 into 8. Again, this 8 can be factorized as 2 into 4. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 can be factorized as 2 into 2. So we see here that 64 can be factorized using the prime numbers, because 2 is a prime number. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. So this method is used most commonly, that is called division method. Let's see the division method. What is the division method? The prime factorization method can be find out using the division method. So we can divide here 2, 32 is 64, again here 2, 16 is 32, again 2, 8 is 16, and 2 4 is 8, again 2 2 is 4. So we see here that these are the factors of, these are the prime factors. 2, 2, 2, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. So like this we can find out the of any number using the prime factorization method. So let's see another method, that is now let us discuss HCF. As you know, HCF is the highest common factor, but how to find HCF using this method? So there are two methods to find out the HCF. One method is prime factorization method, another method is continued division method. So let us discuss one by one. So there is example is given here. Find out the HCF of 84 and 90 using the method, any method. So let us discuss first prime factorization method. So find out the prime factors of 84. So 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, again 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. So here 3 7 is 21. So here 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, then 3 7 is 21. So here we see that these are the factors of 84. So write down the factors of 84. Prime, all are prime numbers. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now let us find out the prime factors of 90. 90. So 2, 45 is 90. Again 4, 5 is divisible by which number? 3. So 3, 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Again 3, 5 is 15. So what are the factors? Write down. 90 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So we see here that in both the cases the number 2 is coming, the repeating means here 2 is coming here also, again here we see that 3 is coming here in both the cases. But again this 2 number is not repeating here, or the 7 is not repeating, and this 5 is not repeating here. That means we see here that the number 2 is repeating in both the cases, number 3 also repeating. So HCF by this method equal to HCF equal to 2 into 3, because 2 is common and 3 is common. So 2 into 3 is 6. So we find that the HCF of 84 and 90 is equal to 6. Let us discuss another method. So what is another method? That is called continued division method. So write the, in continued division method, write the greatest number as a dividend and the divisor will be the smallest number. And what is the question? 84 1 is 84 minus 2, then it is 6. So again here you can make the dividend as the last divisor. So the last divisor here 84. So write here 84. Okay. Then divided 6 in 6 table 84 is 6 1 6. Here 2 24. Then 6 4 24. So remainder 0 is here. So what is the last dividend we got here? Because this is the remainder 0 is coming and we finished here. So the last dividend will be 6. So therefore you conclude that the LCM of which number? 84 and 19 equal to 6. So this is called continued division method. Now let us discuss how to find LCM using the methods. So there are two methods to find the LCM. One method is prime factorization method. Another method is called division method. As already you know, prime factorization method. Now we have to find out here the three numbers 8, 12 and 18, the LCM of these three numbers. So write down what are the factors of 8. The factors of 8 are 2 into 2 because 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and factors of 12 are 2 into 2, 4 and 4 into 3, 12. Factors of 18 are 2 into 9, 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 3 6, 6 3 is 18. So here we see that how to find LCM using this prime factorization method. Let us see how many times the number digits is coming, maximum times the digit is coming. We see here that maximum time here 2 2 2. How many times it is coming? 3 times it is coming. So write down here the LCM equal to 2 into 2 and how many times 3 is coming? Maximum times 2 times. So write down 3 into 3. So what is the answer here? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 3 is 72. So here we got the answer that LCM is 72 of these three numbers 8, 12 and 18. Now let us find out the another method that is called division method. Okay. So how to find the LCM of these three numbers using the division method. So write down here factors of 8, 2. So all the three numbers you write 8, 12 and 18. Then 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, then 2 9 is 8. Again this 4 is divisible with 2. So 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 9 is not divisible. Let us write the 9 here. Now we got here 2 3 prime numbers, but 9 is divisible, not a prime numbers. Let us divide with 3. So 2 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. Now write down all the factors, multiply all the factors. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So what is the answer? 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 to the 24, 24 3 is 72. So we got the answer of LCM that using three numbers of LCM 8, 12 and 18, the answer is 72. Okay.